Hello and welcome to our webinar today. This is regarding changes to ISP 3D32 VTCT iTEC Level 3 Diploma in Sports Massage. My name is Carol Lindsay and I am the Key Account Manager for iTEC Centres in the UK and for higher level qualifications. Today I also have with me Yusuf Shah, who is our Qualification Manager, and Niall Rafferty, who is our Assessment Lead for Sports and Fitness. The purpose of today's webinar is to introduce and provide an overview of the changes to the assessment of this qualification, specifically relating to IUSP 160, Anatomy and Physiology MCQ exam, IUSP 178, Sports Massage Treatments and Treatment Log, and IUSP 178, Mark Allocation for Sports Massage Treatments Practical Observation. These changes have been made as a result of stakeholder feedback and standardisation across related qualifications, and these changes will come into effect on the 1st of September 2023. I'm now going to hand over to my colleague Niall, who will take you through some of these changes.
Thanks, Carol. So the new Anatomy and Physiology MCQ, it's now going to be called IUSP 160, that underpins the new Level 3 qualification. The guided learning hours is now going to be 100. The duration of the external exam is going to be 55 minutes. The number of questions are going to be 50. The continuing pass mark is going to be 50%, and the grading is still going to be a pass, a merit, or a distinction. The form of the questions remain the same, which is a stem of 1 key answer and 3 distractors. Next slide. The distribution of questions will be with the skin, the muscular systems, cells and tissues, skeletal system, endocrine system, the cardiovascular system, the lymphatic system, the neurological system, the reproductive and digestive system, the respiratory and urinary system, and also the effects of sports massage. Next slide. The typical type of sample questions will be: which of the following can be found in the epidermis? What is the action of the bicep femoris? What is the main function of hormones? How is lymph drained back into the bloodstream? What is neuralgia? And what are the functions of the trachea? Next slide. And just handing over to Yusuf.
Thanks, Niall. So I'll just go through the changes to IUSP 178 Sports Massage Treatment Log. Learners are currently required to provide a portfolio of evidence containing treatments and/or case studies that they have performed on clients during their learning. The existing requirements require learners to complete 3 massage treatments on 3 different clients. However, the new requirements are for learners to complete 25 sports massage treatments on 5 clients or 5 different clients across a number of combinations. These should be in both a clinical and non-clinical setting. As well as this, learners are also required to log 10 pre, post and maintenance treatments that do not have to be documented for assessment, documented by the learner. Next slide, please. I'll now move on to talking about IUSP 178 Sports Massage Practical Observation. So the final change to IUSP 178 is the allocation of marks to the practical assessment. This slide reflects the existing marking criteria. However, as a result of stakeholder feedback and standardization across related qualifications, it was identified that the balance of marks across treatments should be addressed, and there should be marks for objective assessment included. We can see this on the following slide. So we can see from the slide that we've got a new marking criteria that has the following changes. There are now 10 marks allocated to a postural analysis. 35 marks will remain for the sports-specific massage observation. However, the pre and post-event massage will be allocated 10 marks each. Next slide, please. So the changes to the marking scheme reflect both a review of the priorities and aims of the qualification and a wider consultation with stakeholders. The changes also address the need for the requirement to assess an objective client assessment, and that maintenance massage components should have an increased allocation of marks compared to pre and post event massage. This is because maintenance massage typically incorporates a greater range of techniques and requires a greater application of underpinning knowledge. These changes also reflect the time allocated to these contexts within current industry practice. Thank you. So I'll just move on to a summary. So just to remind you, these changes will take place from the 1st of September 2023. Marking criteria, pre-assessments, and any other documentation will be made available from that point. And just to summarize, there will now be 25 case studies combination and 10 logged part treatments. And the MCQ exam will be 50 questions and completed in 55 minutes. So thank you for viewing this webinar. For further information, please contact Carol Lindsay at itecworld.co.uk or Niall Rafferty at itecworld.co.uk. Thank you very much.